Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode and explain all of its settings on your Honor 50 Lite or any Honor 50 series like Pro or Lite or just normal Honor 50. So in order to access our power saving mode, we'll need to open our settings, scroll down and find battery. From here, press on it and enable power saving mode right here. Now, in order to actually know more about what it does, we'll need to press on the Learn More section and you'll be able to see what exactly it does. So the first thing is it will disable auto syncing mode for your phone. So when you have like Google Pictures, they won't be uploading automatically, you won't receive auto updates for applications and etc. The next option is to disable haptic feedback, and it will basically disable all vibrations on your phone. Next one is disable system sound, and it will disable all sounds like the keyboard noise when you press on it, or just selecting options, and it also makes the sound. If you have this enabled, they will be not hearable. The next option is reduced visual effects, and it will reduce some of the visual effects, like you won't see it instantly, but in some games or for example menus, some things might not be as sharp as they were. The next option is to shorten your screen timeout, and if you have it enabled, your screen timeout will be less shorter. So if you have it set for 10 minutes, it will be reduced to, I think, about 30 seconds. The next option is to restrict the background app activity. So some of the apps that work in the background won't have as good performance and might have some issues. So if you have some games opened and they are running in the background, they may not work normally. Now the last option is to reduce system performance, and that basically means that your phone will be a bit slower, everything will load a bit slower, but in that case you'll gain about 10 hours of battery lifetime. So here is 37 hours remaining without power saving mode, and if I enable it, it's 49. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.